Hi friends, Christine Toney here with Essentially Styled. Today I want to show you how you can do a faux, very long, elegant pony. It's an optical illusion and it's an easy trick to do with some Lila Rose accessories. But before I do that and get started, be sure and subscribe and hit the red bell if you'd be interested in seeing more tutorials like this. So I'm going to show you the hairstyle before I do it, just in case when I'm not using a mirror directly, it sometimes doesn't look exactly like I want it to. So I want to start and show you that you can see what looks to be a pretty long ponytail. But the trick is, it's an illusion because I've created two ponytails. Underneath I have another one. Now, I generally do not recommend elastics because they do damage your hair. But this is one exception I do make. I have done this with a mini flexi underneath instead of an elastic, and that sometimes will work if it blends in with your hair. It helps if you get a little bit more on top than on the bottom, but I'll show you that as I demonstrate it. But it's creating basically two ponytails, a low ponytail and a high ponytail, by dividing your hair not quite half, probably 3/4 to 1/4 hair, to create that illusion of a really long ponytail. Okay, so to get started, I'm gonna take things out, and I have to be gentle with the elastic because, again, like I said, I generally don't recommend them because they damage and break hair. So I'm trying to be very careful and very limited with the elastics. But for this tutorial, I am using a tiny elastic. You can use a mini, like I said, especially if you have fuller, thicker hair. I recommend a mini. Sometimes it will show through that. Actually, that was an extra small. That's one of the other ones I was using. So to start, I generally start like right at my ears, and then I kind of go back and create, just go clear across that, and that's going to create the top part of my ponytail. And I'm doing that toward the crown of my head, toward the top. Now, to get that out of the way to start, I am just going to put it up temporarily. I'll use my swerve just to hold that there. And then I'm going to gather this together. See, it's not much hair at all. Okay, and then I'm going to use, lost my elastic, this tiny elastic. I go around one time. It's one of the really tiny ones because I really don't like making it tight. So kind of center that like so. That's part one. Super simple. Now I'm going to take the upper part and I'm going to smooth that out as best I can. And I'm going to use an extra small. Now, I generally use a small for my ponytails. So because I'm taking less hair, I am going down to an extra small for this style. I would probably size down from whatever your normal small is. And then you can determine how much hair you're leaving underneath. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my flexi, my extra small, for a kind of a high and tight ponytail, and that creates the illusion. It hangs over that and it hides it so that you don't see that underneath pony, but it gives that illusion of a much longer pony than in reality. So just a fun, neat trick you can do with some of your smaller flexis. I've done it with a mini before, but an extra small is my favorite for my thickness of hair. So you kind of have to judge that based off your regular ponytail size. So I hope this is helpful. It's just kind of a fun, neat trick, so you don't need extensions to have a long, pretty ponytail. All right, you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.